Welcome to motherfucking Detroit, goddammit. What shit?
28-year-old Sean Treadwell faces charges of first and second-degree child abuse. Police say Treadwell was alone with his 8-week-old daughter at his Plymouth apartment last Friday night. The infant's mother was at work. An investigator in the case who did not want his face shown explained the basis for the charges.
The abuse was, the investigation showed that he was using a hairdryer for an extended period of time around the baby's face, and as it turns out, the baby received second-degree burns to the face, as well as to one of her legs.
The sergeant says Treadwell admitted using the hairdryer.
The fact of the matter is that he said he used it for an extended period of time to blow dry the baby's hair, and the baby ended up with second-degree burns.
Treadwell first took his burned daughter to a Livonia hospital. She was transferred to the University of Michigan, where staff alerted the police of the suspected abuse.
8-week-old baby coming in with burns like that, they definitely want to notify the local police agency and let them know what they have that they're working with.
First-degree child abuse is a 15-year felony. Second-degree is a 4-year. Treadwell's earlier conviction for home invasion and other crimes make the child abuse charges far more serious.
Fourth habitual offender, yes.
And that means?
That means he can serve up to life in prison because of his previous felony convictions.
In Plymouth Township, Bill Gallagher, Fox 2 News.